Alright guys, welcome. We have this question from JAM 1982, question 35, where we're asked to simplify 3 divided by 2x minus 1 plus 2 minus x divided by x minus 2. Quickly we'll dive into this by writing a solution. Write solution. Next we'll copy out our expression 3 divided by 2x minus 1 plus 2 minus x divided by x minus 2. Now, one needs a good understanding of LCM in solving an expression of this nature. Now, in our expression, we have that our denominators are 2x minus 1 and x minus 2. Hence, our LCM would be all right, LCM will be 2x minus 1 bracket close bracket open x minus 2 bracket close. Now 2x minus 1 goes into 2x minus 1 bracket x minus 2. This ends up leaving us with x minus 2. Now, x minus 2 will multiply 3 at the numerator. We end up having 3 brackets open, x minus 2 bracket close. Bring our addition sign here. Now, we have 2x minus 1 bracket close bracket open, x minus 2 bracket close divided by x minus 2. These ends up leaving us with 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 1 in turn multiplies 2 minus x. So at our numerator, we end up having a bracket open, 2 minus x bracket close, bracket open, 2x minus 1 bracket close. All right, we'll continue with our solving. Draw a line, write on our denominator, our LCM, bracket x minus 2 bracket close. So 3 times x gives us 3x, while 3 times minus 2 gives us minus 6. Bring down our addition sign, bracket open. All right, we have a bracket open 2 minus x bracket close, bracket open 2x minus 1 bracket close. Both would multiply themselves, and since they're going to multiply themselves, we end up having a 2 brackets open 2x minus 1 bracket close, while we have minus x bracket open 2x minus 1 bracket close, all bracket close. Now this is equal to, remember we have 3x minus 6, all right, plus 2 times 2x gives us 4x, 2 times minus 1 gives us minus 2, while minus x times 2x gives us minus 2x squared, minus x times minus 1 gives us a plus x, all right, all divided by bracket open 2x minus 1 bracket close, bracket open 2 bracket open x minus 2 bracket close. Now we'll collect like terms at our numerator, so we end up having 3x plus 4x, 7, that gives us 7x plus x. We'll have 8x, while we have minus 6 minus 2 gives us a minus 8. Then we have minus 2x squared. All right, while at our denominator we have bracket open 2x minus 1 bracket close, bracket open, x minus 2 bracket close. All right, we continue with our solving, because we notice that our numerator can still be factorized further. However, we should factor out minus 2 and rearrange our numerator to enable our work much easier. We factor out -2, side factor out -2, and rearrange our numerator. So we have a bracket open, x squared, and we make a 8x RB. So we have plus, it's going to be since we're factorizing out -2 now, what will be left with there is a -4, left with -4, right? So we have this here. Right? All right. -4x. Then we'll have +4, bracket close, bracket close, divided by 2x minus 1, bracket close, bracket x minus 2, bracket close. Now we continue with our solving. We're taking note of the following, that at our numerator, from our numerator, we have that the value of our a is 1, our b as -4, while our c as +4. And because our value for a is 1, we can proceed as follows to find the value for the factors of c that when added gives us our value for b. Find two factors of c, because we said that c is 4, two factors of c that when added gives us a value for b. Now, -2 is our factors that we're looking for, because -2 times -2 gives us +4, while -2 plus -2 gives us -4. Hence, having this at the back of our mind, we proceed and we have a -2, bracket open, x squared -2x minus 2x plus 4, bracket close, divided by bracket open 2x minus 1, bracket close, bracket open x minus 2, bracket close. Now, having done this, we have -2, bracket open. We factor out x from x squared minus 2x, and we have x, bracket open, x minus 2, bracket close. And we factor out -2x plus 4. We factor out from there, we factor out -2, and we're left with -2. I have a bracket open, x minus 2, bracket close, bracket close. Now all these divided by bracket open 2x minus 1, bracket close, bracket open, x minus 2, bracket close. All right, continuing our solving, we have these here. We have this to be equal to -2, bracket open, x minus 2, bracket close, x minus 2, bracket close, divided by bracket open 2x minus 1, bracket close, bracket open, x minus 2, bracket close. Now we have x minus 2 at our numerator, and we also have x minus 2 at our denominator. So x minus 2 cancels out x minus 2. We're left with -2, bracket open, x minus 2, bracket close, divided by bracket open 2x minus 1, bracket close. Now these all equal to -2 goes into multiply the bracket we have at our numerator. So we have a -2 times x, we have -2x, -2 times -2 gives us +4. These are divided by 2x minus 1. Now, we will write our expression to make our work much neater. With that, we said as a numerator, we take a 4 to the front. We have 4. We take minus 2x the other way. All right. Divided by 2x minus 1 as our final answer. Thank you.